Okay, guys, within the last few days in this week, we're able to make lots of profit within the Telegram channel with the signals shared on the Telegram channel. Some of these signals took about um, 2 to 3 days before they were completed, but we're really happy that most of the signals ended up in profit. Okay, so this is so amazing, and of course, we are really happy we are able to achieve this. So we will be checking out each of the assets one after the other to check out the latest update for the weekend. Okay, so that we will know what to go and how, what to do and how to go about it. And of course, this will also help you to learn how I analyze using the same strategy which I've been teaching you in my videos so that you too can know how to go about it. Okay. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or probably you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. So just like you guys have known, okay, the strategy which I love using is the trend trading strategy because it gives you an opportunity to trade on a specific trend or on a certain trend for a very long time, most especially if you are looking at it from the higher time frame, that is the H1. Okay, it helps you to trade for a very long time. That is why some of the signals given out in the Telegram channel actually took 3 4 days sometimes, and of course you will be in profit throughout these days, and of course I'll end up your trading activities in good profits. Okay, that is if it is well managed, if you follow instructions. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so now let's see each of these assets one after the other to see what we should look out for on a day like this, or on a weekend like this. Okay, so we're starting with GainX 1200 and still on H1. So if you are seeing my setup for the first time, I am using a custom made indicator. It is a non-repaint custom made indicator, and we're going to check it out. Check it out at this resistance zone. It gave us a downtrend signal, the red color, and of course the red arrow, which is a sell signal. And check it out, sold till it got to this region, gave us an opportunity to come in again at this spot. Okay, or to add more to it, we milked it to the very end to this support zone. Thereafter, we started buying, gave us a buy signal and uptrend signal. A single buy signal was given to us here, and check it out, got to this region. Okay, switch into a downtrend again, give us a sell signal, played around there for a while because it was unable to break out from here, and of course switch over back to a buy signal again and got to this same resistance zone. This time around gave us another sell signal and of course a downtrend signal, and of course it sold and even broke out from here. Okay, so right from there it switched from a downtrend into a buy trend again, and of course we got a buy signal, okay, into an uptrend, and we got a buy signal, and of course you can see just a single buy signal and it is still buying. Okay, that's so amazing. This is GainX 1200. That is why I said if you learn this strategy, you will milk the market, or you are most likely to milk the market with it, except if you do not understand how to use it. That is when you have problem. And you should also make sure you learn to use a good risk management system. Okay, that will help you to secure your capital and even your profits later on. Okay, so let's see where this is actually heading to. Okay, so just the way we are seeing it, this has actually got into this resistance zone, and of course you can see it around there. So it might be probably trying to achieve this level. Okay, and if it should break out from there, then we should be expecting it to get to this region. Okay, so that is it. So guys, as you can see, this is trying to break out from here. Once it breaks out from there, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is very important. So we are still expecting more buying opportunity, except if it's unable to break out from the current resistance zone and it comes down, and probably break out, because I'm still expecting it to break out from here. I don't know if that will happen right now. I mean, um, this coming week. Okay, if it breaks out from here, we have a lot of milking to do around there. Also, we also have so many milking to do at the top also. So I think it's trying to go up at the moment. I want it to get to this region first. If it should break out from here, then we should be targeting this region, which means if it should break out from here, then in the next few days, we will still be experiencing more buying opportunity than selling opportunity. Okay, so that is it. So next asset is going to be Gamex 999. Okay, this is real chart, guys. So this is what you should be um getting on your own chart too. Okay, so let's see it together. So just like I have said, trend trading strategy is still the best. This got to the resistance zone, switch from uptrend to downtrend at this spot, and give us a sell signal right here. But because it has been playing around there, we have to wait for it to break out from here. So it broke out from here, and check it out. Just a single signal, and check out the beautiful profit we made from here. This lasted for days. We can check it out, because this is 1 hour time frame, and of course this is 65 hours. Okay, 65 hours. So you can do your calculation. We only have 24 hours to make a day. Okay, and 48 hours is 2 days, 72 hours is 3 days. So it lasted for almost 3 days, guys. That's huge profit, massive profit from there. So that is it. And we actually milked that particular asset. I remember very well. So right from here, okay, this is gain X999. I'm still on gain X999. Okay, it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and but still it got to this region. I remember we milked this together also, and right from there, it switched from there to a downtrend, and so till it got to this region. I remember drawing this horizontal, I mean this trend line, okay, just to indicate that if it does not break out from there, then it will buy, but if it should break out, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so you can see it bought till it got to this region, add a pullback, and it will be buying. Okay, so right now we expect it to break the structure at this spot. Okay, so we expect it to go back up and break the structure, and if that happens, then it is coming to this region, so it's going to be more buy. Okay, however, if it goes down and breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more. We should take note of that. It's going to sell more. Okay, and of course, let me try and extend this trend line also. So if it should break out from here, then it's going to sell more. Okay, but this is what I'm expecting it to do, because it has gotten to this support region already. So I expect it to break out the structure at this spot. Okay, by breaking out from here, and if that happens, then it is coming to this region at the top right here. Okay, so we should look out for it. Okay, so we expect a more buying opportunity from this. Okay, now let's check out Paynex 1200. Okay, I think 2 days ago I actually analyzed this asset also after completing this trend. Okay, from from this resistance zone, we got a downtrend and a sell signal at this spot, and I highlighted all these TPs for us. You can see they've been achieved, and later on, I think 2 days ago, I said if it does not break out from here, to switch from a downtrend and into an uptrend, and it will go back up and achieving all the TPs again. And you can see that is what we have experienced. Give us an uptrend signal, a buy signal, because it was unable to break out below this. And check it out, it is actually remaining 1 TP to achieve. Okay, which is it almost achieved it before pulling back, so it will be going back there again to achieve it. Once it achieves it, that's huge profit for us, and we should also expect it to be targeting this region if it should break from there. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, now let's move on to Paynex 999. The last one was Paynex 1200. Okay, so now let's check this out. This actually gave us an uptrend signal at this point, and gave us a buy signal, and check it out. Just a single buy signal, it got to this region, which is a resistance zone, was unable to break out from there. So it came down, went up, came down, went up. So I realized that it was playing around there. So I was actually expecting it to go back on downtrend, or probably it should break out above the resistance zone. But since it's unable to break out above the resistance zone and it has been playing, so I drew out the trend lines. Okay, so first the resistance trend line, and of course the support trend line. And I said if it should break out from any of the two, then it's going to follow that direction. And as you can see, it broke out above the resistance trend line to give us more buying opportunity, and it has been buying since then. So now let's see what we are most likely to get with this. Okay, so I'm going to take it down a bit. Okay, so with the way it is right now, it seems this is actually moving towards this end. Okay, so if it should break out above it, then we should expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, to this particular spot. So this is very, very important. We might have some pullbacks, which can be a major pullback on lower time frame before it gets there. But with the way it is, it looks like more of an uptrend than a downtrend, because if you should notice, it just broke out from a structure at this spot. Okay, so it broke out from a structure at this spot, and of course, once we understand that, then we should know that this is definitely an uptrend at this spot. Okay, so now that is it. Now let's check out our FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 was on downtrend before at this spot. It gave us a downtrend signal, a sell signal at this spot, and also gave us more sell signal right here, and it has been selling, giving us good selling opportunity right from there till it got to this support region. It was unable to break out from here, and I drew out the support horizontal line and of course support trend line, just for us to know the movements. And of course you can see got to this trend line, went up, came back down, went up, and of course I said if it should break out above this horizontal line, then at that point it breaks the structure, and you can see it broke the structure. So right now it is going down again. So we just need to stretch out this trend line, this support trend line, just to mark out this region. Okay, if it should break out below this, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it should go back up and break out above this structure, because it has a new structure right now. Okay, so it will go back up and break out above this structure. That means it's still going to buy more at that point. Okay, so we should watch out from that. So, and of course guys, if it should break out below this, then definitely it is changing character fully, and it might want to sell till it get to this support region. So we should also watch out for that. But from what I am seeing, this might still continue with the buy trend once this pullback is over. But let's wait to see what is going to happen. The only reason why it will not buy more is if it breaks out below this support zone. But if it does not, it will go back up. But I expect it to bounce back on this um, support trend line and go back to this region to see if it can break out above this. And if it should break out above it, then structure has been broken again, and definitely it means that it is still fully on uptrend. Okay, so you should wait and watch out for that. Okay, wait and watch out for that before you jump into the trade. Okay, make sure you follow the right signals, make sure you follow instructions, and you will definitely get it right. I will be stopping right here in case you are wondering about my setup and you want to know more about it. You can send message to me on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, and of course if you have any other question, also you can drop it in the comment section or send it to me on WhatsApp. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? The link to the Telegram channel is also in the description box, and I will try as much as possible to pin it down to the comment section so that you can have free access to it. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.